India's multi-role Tejas fighter has captured the imagination of the Malaysian Air Force for quite some time now. The 4.5 generation light combat aircraft, LCA, later enthralled the audience when it performed at the 2019 Malaysian Air Show at Langkawi International Maritime and Aerospace Exhibition Lima 2019. The combat jet impressed the crowd with its artful maneuvers, engaging in loops, slow speed passes, minimum radius turn, maximum rate turn, negative G turn, along with point rolls. It was the first international performance of the indigenous Indian fighter produced by India's state-based company Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL. Malaysia's Air Force is in dire need of new and modern combat aircraft, and its aging fighter fleets need upgradation. The Malaysian Air Force Chief General Effendi Buyang had said that 40% of the country's combat fleet, which includes British, American and Russian fighters, needs urgent upgradation. Consequently, the country floated a global tender to procure a variety of different aircraft, ranging from fighter trainers to medium-range combat aircraft, MRCA. The Royal Malaysian Air Force, RMAF, intends to fill the operational and combat requirement gaps by ordering a certain number of combat jets in a two-stage process. Along with India's multi-role LCA Tejas, which has reportedly emerged as the top contender in the race, other aircraft in the fray include the Swedish Gripen, Pakistan's Chinese-origin JF-17 jet, the South Korean T-50 among others. India and Malaysia have similar operational needs and weapon types, with both countries using considerable Russian and NATO systems. With India said to be offering the latest version Mk1A, which features modern SR radar, new avionics and the capability to integrate a variety of weaponry, it will be hard for the Malaysian Air Force to ignore Tejas. The fighter also boasts of enhanced maneuverability, aerodynamics, maintainability and pilot survivability, self-protection jammer, radar warning receiver and external ECM pod. To sweeten the deal, India has offered to establish a maintenance, repair and overhaul MRO facility in Malaysia to ensure high-rate availability of the aircraft. At approximately $42 million per unit, Tejas is an economical choice for RMAF, considering it brings a wide range of modern capabilities to a multi-role fighter and has an operational edge over Pakistan's JF-17 in many respects. Compared to JF-17, Tejas has a combat edge with its more potent engine, radar system and electronic warfare suite, and not to forget the Beyond Visual Range (BVR) missile capability, according to IAF experts talking to the Eurasian Times. JF-17 also comes with a Russian engine, about which Malaysia's experience has not been good when it comes to serviceability. The country also operates the Russian MiG-29S with similar engines, which are said to require significant after-sales support and maintenance. However, Tejas is powered by a General Electric F404 engine, also used in Malaysia's FA-18S, which has delivered satisfying performance. With Kuala Lumpur engaged in maritime border disputes with Beijing, there are chances that the country could prefer the Indian or even Korean fighters over that of Pakistan. The purchase of the JF-17S would bind Malaysia with the Chinese weapons, while the Floor A-50 or LCA Tejas would give them access to trusted Western technology, despite being of Korean and Indian origin. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Jai Hind.